My name is Debbie, and I want to welcome you to the 10 Buck Bosses Business Overview. If you look at the screen, you'll see a check for $200. I am a sales rep for a company called Real Spirit USA. They sell alkaline water machines and other products pertaining to purified water. Okay, I sold the machine because I was an affiliate for the company and I earned a $200 commission for selling that machine. This is my picture right here. Here I am. Okay, today I want to talk to you about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the skill and art of selling someone else's product. If you refer someone to a company and they buy that product, then you will earn a commission. At that point, you will be an affiliate marketer. I post videos on YouTube and people see the videos and then they go and buy the machine, and that's how I earn money from that. Today, I want to tell you about a company called Global Domains International, better known as GDI. GDI is a company that was established in 1999. They offer an affiliate program that makes it very, very easy for you to earn money by referring people to their products. Okay, they have affiliates all over the world. For every person who joins GDI as an affiliate, you will get a website like this, a free website. In this website, you will keep up with your business partners and your sales and your marketing with the affiliate program. In order to participate in the affiliate program, you must be at least 18. U.S. residents must supply a W-9 for taxes and submit a picture ID. Non-residents must supply a W-8 plus submit a picture ID. The product that we will be selling is a $10 domain package that Global Domains offer. You will be an affiliate for the company by introducing other people to the $10 domain package. With the payout compensation for the affiliate program allows you to get paid 5 levels down through the system. This means that you will get paid 10%, which is $1 for every person that you refer to GDI who subscribes to the $10 domain package. All right, after you create your account and verify your email with GDI, you will receive a welcome email. And within that email, you will scroll down and you will see all of your referral links. Everybody that comes into GDI must be referred by somebody because you are building an organization. I hope that makes sense. Every person that you sell a $10 domain package to, you will earn $1. If those people that you sell to decide to become an affiliate, you will also earn $1 from the sales of those people. And the compensation plan allows for you to be paid down 5 levels. You will be making money from the work of others. You will be building a downline. You will be building an organization. Within the compensation plan, you will build down and then you will get paid up. Okay. When you join Global Domains as an affiliate and you pay your $10, 10% of your subscription price will go to the sponsor. Everybody who signs up with Global Domains needs a referral link. Your sponsor will be the person who supplied you with the link to sign up. Okay. $1 will go to your sponsor, and the other $4 will go to other affiliates 4 levels up, and $5 will go to the company. And that's the way it happens on each level. The beauty of this program is that you get to build a downline by leveraging off the work of others. Everybody is working together to make sure everybody gets paid. If you have 1,000 people in your downline, then your check will be $1,000. Now, pay close attention. I want to tell you, I'm going to show you how this can be really, really lucrative for you and your family. It's easy. It's just so easy. I call this portion Operation Warp Speed to Financial Freedom. Our goal right now is to get everybody earning at least $4,000 per month from home. This is the process to financial freedom. Week 1, you must create your membership with GDI and refer at least 5 people who want to make money too. It could be family, friends, or other opportunity seekers within your social media pages. Okay, just like I said, I will give you a link to over 350 Facebook business groups who are full of thousands and thousands of people who want to make money online. I will also give you scripts and ads to post in these groups. Okay, it's free. Posting in the groups is free. It's free, 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 free. And like I said before, I promise you that you will not have to pay any more than $10 a month to make this business work for you. And when you refer your 5 people, you only want to put 5 people on your level 1. You only want to put 5 people on your level 1. If you have more people who want to join, give them a link that belongs to one of your referrals. This will benefit you. You will be building down instead of building wide. If you build wide, if you have 10 people that want to come in and you put them all on your first line, all of that money is going to flow up to your upline. What you want to do, once you get your 5 people, your downline and your back office should look like this. You want only on your level 1, you want only 5 people. Okay, and if you have some more people who want to sign up, give them the referral link to one of these 5 people. That's just putting it plain and simple. So during your 7-day trial, you need to go and bring in 5 people to GDI. Just that simple. If everybody does that, bring in 5 people during your trial membership, your organization is going to just blow up so fast. It's going to blow up so fast. So this is meaning that these people will be your referrals, and you'll have your 5 people. And once you refer those 5 people, if you refer those 5 people and they don't cancel, for every block of 5 people that you refer, you will earn a $100 bonus. Okay, even if you refer those people during your trial membership, on your paycheck, you will get a $100 bonus. And with GDI, the work week is defined as from 12 a.m. Monday through 11:55 p.m. Sunday. So if you refer 5 people during that time period, then you will earn a $100 bonus. And if you refer 3 blocks of 5 people in 1 week on top of your referral money, you will earn $100, which will come to an extra $300 on top of your referral, the money that you get for your referrals. I hope that makes sense. So on your level 1, once you have your 5 people enrolled, you will have made $100. Okay, and those 5 people, when they enroll, they're going to pay $10. Each one is going to pay $10. From each $10, $1 is going to go to you on level 1, and $4 is going to flow up to the upline, and $5 will go to the company. Okay, now this is and at that point right there, you would have earned $105 because you will have your $100 bonus, and you will have $5 from each one of your 5 referrals. Okay, so at this point, that's why I said, like I said, you have the monies that you pay is going to flow up to 5 other people and say, like, if you were right here and then you paid your money, it's gonna flow up because you have people above you on 5 levels. So that's why I say you need to put only 5 people on your level 1, and you're gonna put everybody else underneath you. That's the simplicity of it. Week 2 rolls around. Okay, you have 5 people on your level 1. Each one of your 5 people are going to go out and refer 5 people. At that point, you have 30 people in your organization. The same thing that happened up there with the 5 people paying $10 and it's going to trickle up. This time it's going to be 25 people. We're going to pay on level 2. They're each going to pay $10. $1 is going to go $1 is going to go to their sponsor. $4 is going to go up to the upline, and $5 is going to go to the company. And at that point, you have 30 affiliates in your organization. Now we're at week 3. Those 25 people on your level 2 must refer 5 people. You have 5 on level 1, 5 on level 2, and 125 on level 3. Your organization is 155 people. So far, you will have accumulated $155, which will be going to your next paycheck. Now we're moving on to week 4. You have 125 people on your level 3. Okay? Each one of those 125 people, if they get to work, get busy, go and refer at least 5 people. Now, your level 4 consists of 625 people. And you'll be getting $1 from each one of those people. You will have a total of 780 affiliates in your organization, and you only brought in 5 people, and you're only paying $10 a month for your membership. After you get those 780, at this point, your paycheck for next month is $780. Now, this is where everything is finna blow up. Okay? Week 5, those 625 people on your level 4, if they go out and bring in 5 people each, I'm just hoping that everybody sees the urgency with this. Everybody needs to see the urgency with this. Once your 5 levels are filled up, you will have 3,905 affiliates in your organization, and each one of those affiliates will be paying you $1 a month. At this point, your check that you have accumulated that you will get the next month on the 15th will be $3,905. Yes, $3,905. And this is just your first month in this business. Just because you're at $3,900, you can still refer people. Now, at this point, since now that you're at your $3,905, what you want to do is start building another block of 5 people, building down the same way you just did. And once you do that, that second block is going to earn, once you do that, this is an income disclaimer. I'm not saying you're going to get rich. This is not a get rich quick scheme or nothing like that, but you must work this business if you want this business to work for you. Disclaimer. Okay, long as your affiliates and your downline renews that $10 a month subscription, you'll be getting paid over and over and over again. And all you did was put in $10 on an online business, And you have the potential to earn six figures with this $10 online business. You will never have to pay any more money to earn with this company. I promise you. Even if it takes you 4 to 6 weeks to get to $10,000 a month, would that be worth it to you? I think so. Assignment today is to follow these 2 steps. Create your GDI account and invite 5 people. That's it. Because everybody is going to duplicate the same 2 steps. That's it. And you'll be getting paid every month. You'll be getting paid every month. Every month. Just like that. And now, after you get yourself to making the $4,000, like I said, that's our goal right now, is to get everybody to making at least $4,000. Okay. And put just 5 people on your front line and build down just the way I showed you how. And you'll be in the money faster. You'll be in the money faster. Now, after you get that $3,905 done, what you're going to do, you're going to start working on another block of 5 direct referrals and then build down. At that point, you will have 10 direct referrals. Once you get that 5 to 5 across and 5 down built, you will have an organization of 10 direct referrals. And if everybody else get the 10 direct referrals, watch this. According to this income calculator, if everybody with the basic subscription of $10 have 10 direct referrals on your front line, and then below everybody get 10 referrals, going under the assumption that social media has billions of people, billions. You have TikTok, Facebook, just all these different social media sites, and you only need 10 people on your front line, and with everybody else getting 10 people on their front line, this is what your monthly income could be. And don't even think about that. On your way to this, you could be at 50,000, 60,000, 30,000 on your way to this. As long as these people renew this $10 membership, Global Domains International is going to send you this money every single month. It's hard to believe, but it's true. So if you're ready to begin your journey to $100,000 a month online, get back with the person who shared this PDF or video with you and tell them you want a referral link so you can sign up with GDI. I'm hoping that you join us, because we is finna put the smoke to this right here. And you don't want to be left behind, because we moving on out. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope you join in with us and get you some of this easy money. Thank you and have a good day.